In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to place the smooth basalt infill in your Lumacast fire feature that has a curved inner slope in the burner area. We'll be demonstrating with the PAOLO model, but this process applies to any fire feature with a curved inner slope. Feel free to pause the video to verify that your fire feature is on this list. If you choose smooth basalt as your infill, your order includes the necessary amount of bags for your unit size. And please, before handling the rock, take a moment to read and familiarize yourself with the product information printed on the bags. Begin by gently placing the smooth basalt infill around the burner pan base, creating a nice mound of rocks around the burner area. If needed, use the subsequent bags to fill in the burner area and adjust the distribution of the rocks to your liking. Be sure the burner nozzles are exposed and free from obstruction, as this affects the performance of the warming trends burner. And this is important. Before operation of your fire feature, inspect all smooth basalt stones. Any stones showing visible veining or hairline cracks should be discarded and replaced, as they may contain traces of non-igneous stone and may pop when subject to heat. Any surplus infill can be stored for future replacement. After confirming that no stones obstruct the burner nozzles, your Lumacast fire feature is ready for use. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out by phone during business hours or email us at any time. Thank you for watching.